How to stop TikTok from opening when you press phone. If you're facing problem like you just open your home screen and TikTok suddenly opens or any other app that may open, that may be due to the phone screen problem or that is related to any hardware issues that your phone may be facing, such as if your tempered glass is scratched, then it may send touch response, or even if your phone is wet, make sure to dry your phone and start touching. Or what you can do is go to your settings, tap on settings, now go to search bar, now type for advanced settings, advanced features. You'll get advanced feature. What we're going to try to do is we're going to reach motion and gestures. So after you tap on advanced features, make sure to tap on motion and gesture. Now make sure to see what is causing your problem, what is opening your TikTok app. So make sure that the buttons are all on. If it is off, then that may be causing the issue. So also check that if your phone is dry or not. So that are some quick fixes to try. If any of them help, then please make sure to comment which one of them did and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.